Hi folks, a place in Doreen. You can see about few birds, the pelicans. I'm walking closer to it. Perhaps I'm able to take a closer shot. So maybe this is maybe the closest that I have been. Look at the beautiful birds. Oh my God. What a blessed country is this beautiful. Australia, perhaps I never had the chance to look at these birds this close. I'm so delighted. It's actually posing and looking at me as I keep talking. I don't want to really disturb them, but I'll try to see if I can get even more closer. Let's see. Look at these beautiful birds. Oh my God. Perhaps maybe this is the closest that I have gotten to. Two of the pelicans. Look at it. Maybe got into the water. Maybe it felt insecure, but the other one has gone into the water as well. Maybe the other one too, and the other one as well. Anyway, looks like I disturbed them. My apologies, but see, watch and enjoy.